The student who are looking for admissions in PG Medical, mostly they focus their counseling in states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, in this area. But there are some states where the students can get their required branch if they have patience to wait till end of the counseling. One state is Puducherry state. Puducherry is an untapped state for PG medical counseling. The counseling authority name is CENTAC. Generally, Puducherry state counseling process happen little delay compared to other state. In Puducherry, there are three private colleges are there. One is PIMS, Puducherry Institute of Medical Science. One is Sri Venkateswara Institute of Medical Science. Another is Manekala Vinaka Institute of Medical Science. Three private medical colleges are there. PIMS number one college, which is a Christian minority college. Second, Venkateswara, which is a Telugu minority college. Another is Manekala Vinaka, which is a private college. The student who does not belong to any category and who is basically from other states of India, first two rounds they will be eligible only for the Manekala Vinaka institutions. In first round of the counseling, who will participate in Puducherry, and the second round of counseling, only one college will be available, that is Manekala Vinaka Institute of Medical Science. Within the three college, what I told you, PIMS and Manekala fee is little low compared to Venkateswara Institute of Medical Science. In Venkateswara, fee structure generally stands from 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs depending on the specializations. Apart from that, they have certain other expenditure also in the time of admissions. That is applicable for other two private college as well. Now, in Puducherry, there are 2 lakh security amount is also there for the private college. In this video, I am precisely telling you about the private college informations. So the student who are looking for private college in Puducherry, they can participate in Puducherry state counseling from round 1, but the security amount they have to pay in round 2 only. First round, you don't have to pay the security amount. Now I'll tell you which all student should participate in Puducherry state counseling. Naturally, you can understand the student who is having a decent rank within a range like 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. They will be having multiple possibility in different states in North India and South India. But if you are having a limited budget, and if you are looking for clinical or upper clinical branch, then you can participate in Puducherry state counseling, but you have to keep in mind that you have to wait till round 3 or round 4. You may not get your required branch in round 1 and round 2. So you have to wait till round 3. Now here, one question will arise that if you don't get in round 3 in Puducherry, then what is the alternative? Yes, in counseling process, the most important thing is taking the decisions and making the decision, calculating the risk. If you are looking for particular branch in Puducherry, then definitely you have to wait till round 3. But if you feel that particular branch you are getting in other state, where the fees wise also it is almost similar, college standard is also okay, then instead of waiting for Puducherry, you can take admission there, because in counseling allotment is always uncertain for the student whose rank is little above the range, whose rank is not in a I can tell you good rank. Because if a student is having a good rank, if the rank within the range, then they will be having the multiple opportunity. But when your rank is beyond a range, like above 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, then slowly your possibility will be reduced. Okay. if you are looking for a clinical branch, that time you have to understand that which state you will be having the possibility, so you can approach those states from the counseling. And almost all the private states private college counseling, they'll be having a security amount, either 1 lakh, 2 lakh, some states either it will be having 5 lakhs also. So it is not possible to pay the security money in all the places. So you have to make proper strategy which state you should participate, so you will be getting the seat until end of the counseling. This is very important part of the counseling process, and this strategy you have to make in the beginning only, based on some statistical analysis, based on proper mentorship or guidance. Now I will show you the website of Puducherry. This is the website for Puducherry State Counseling PG Medical Admission. This is the state counseling. Now you can see there PG Dental link is there, but PG Medical link is not enabled till now because the process had not yet initiated. But you can get the informations through different link is there. You can see this fee structure, all the details is available here. Okay, you can see the fee structure is mentioned here. Okay, this clinical branches, that is the last year and this year fees it is mentioned. PIMS, Venkateshwara and Manekola, these three colleges are there. Here I will tell you this fees which is mentioned here 23,90,000. This is applicable for PIMS and Manekola, but for Venkateshwara, this fees is not applicable. Fees has increased in Venkateshwara. I'll show you that also. Okay, this is not opening, so I will tell you the fee structures as per the previous year. The fee structures in Venkateshwara is 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs per annum, depending on the specializations in clinical. Okay, in clinical branches, especially in the upper clinical branches, the fee is high. And if the student's rank is around 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, even 90,000, still you have a possibility to get a clinical branch in Venkateshwara Medical College, provided you can wait for till around 3, round 4, like that. So the student who are approaching for the Puducherry State Counseling, you have to keep in mind that you will be getting the possibility only after round 2. Security amount you have to pay 2 lakhs for round 2 only, but you may not get allotted in round 2. But in case if you are allotted, if you don't take, security amount will be forfeited. Student, hope you got a brief idea regarding the Puducherry State Counseling. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are looking for admission guidance, paid counseling guidance, you can contact me in this number. I have a paid counseling guidance video, dedicated video in the YouTube channel. You can go through that video. If you feel that kind of service you are looking for, then you can contact me in the number given. I will guide you step by step. I'll give you complete information regarding the documents, eligibility, fee structures, and everything. Thank you so much, students.